what we're gonna do right now is construct a perpendicular line through a point in another line. Okay, this setup looks something like this. You generally will have a line. Of course, like always, this line is gonna be named AB. Okay, and inside that line, apart from AB, there's gonna be a third point, which for our purposes we're gonna name C. Now what's gonna happen is that we're gonna try to create a perpendicular line that passes through C. That way we can actually create a perpendicular line on any point of this diagram. So hopefully that's what you get out of it. So we have points A, B, and C, but our line can only go through point C. What we're going to do first is grab our compass tool and place it center on point C. And we are going to draw two arcs. One on the left side of point C and the other on the right side of point C. Remember, whenever we create arcs, what we're looking for is the points of intersection. So we go back and label those points. In this case, it labeled them D and E. Once we have those points, okay, we're going to grab our compass tool again. Now we're going to move the center of the compass tool to point D, and we're going to make sure that our compass is opened to a distance longer than the distance between point D and C. So we have to go past C in order to do this. Make sure you lock it in place, and after we lock it in place, we're not going to change it. Now what we're going to do is we're going to create an arc on one side, nice and big. We're going to move the compass to point E, and we're going to create the same arc using point D as our center. Now you'll notice that the arcs intersect. Okay, so we're going to put the compass away. We're going to draw the lines using points F and G on the intersection, and you'll notice what we've created is perpendicular lines, and a perpendicular is specifically passing through C. So